Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special host of the evening for you. You know him like you know every breath you take. He's been a tireless artist ever since he made his debut in Wo Saat Din. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Anil Kapoor.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a huge confession to make. I'm extremely nervous. This is my debut effort as a host. In fact, I have never hosted anything before barring my 21st birthday bash last year. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to introduce a man who's no ordinary man. He's an institution, a living legend, a reason to be proud of Indian cinema. Well, we at IFA are fortunate to have him as a brand ambassador. और इस शाम की शुरुआत के लिए उनसे अच्छी हस्ती हो भी क्या सकती है? To welcome you, bless us, and to fire up our great show, may I request Mr. Bachchan on stage, please.
Honored dignitaries, colleagues from India, friends and viewers from across the world, and all you wonderful people from South Africa, good day. On behalf of the International Indian Film Academy and the Indian film industry, I wish to express at the outset our heartfelt condolences on the sad demise of Mr. Walter Sisulu, affectionately known as Tata Sisulu, a hero amongst heroes, a leader among leaders, freedom fighter, and a father figure to this great nation. We share equally in your grief and pray for the peace and tranquility of the departed soul. Today we are happy to dedicate this year's Samsung IFA Awards to celebrating a decade of strong, friendly ties between our two countries. It was with a purpose that the management and advisory board of the International Indian Film Academy decided to return to this wonderful country. And so here we are to say a big thank you to the international Indian community with the 4th annual Samsung IFA Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, we dedicate Indian cinema's biggest celebration to you. Thank you for giving us your love and your support. Re li Boghela, Lerato, Lili Re, Philang, Lona. Thank you.
अब शुरू करते हैं किस्सा अवार्ड्स का। हम ये शाम मस्तानी शुरू करेंगे लिरिक्स अवार्ड्स के साथ। Lyricists are poets infusing rhyme and rhythm into the souls of the songs of love and remorse. अगर ये कागज पे गाने नहीं लिखते तो हमारे मुंह पर्दे पे जरूर बेजुबान हो जाते। Except times when they write songs like टेलीफोन धुन में हंसने वाली मेलबोर्न मछली मचलने वाली. Well, let's take a look at the nominations.
Nominations for lyrics are Gulzar for Satya, Nida Fasli for Sur, Nusrat Badr for Devdas. Sameer for Raz. Sudhakar Sharma for Hamraz.
May I invite John Abraham and Bipasha Basu on stage to announce the award, please.
Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today. Well,
Good day, everybody.
the winner for the lyrics is
Nusrat Badr.
for Dolare, film Devdas.
I think Nusrat is not here. I would request Sanjay Leela Bansali to come and receive the award on his behalf.
Every year, the Indian film industry witnesses an influx of new faces. और इनमें से कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो कुछ हट के होते हैं. Perfect star material. Sony Entertainment Television celebrates these rising stars with Sony Faces of the Year award. Let's take a look at the Sony Face of the Year female.
नींद उड़ती है, चैन खोता है, जान जाती है, प्यार होता है, तुमसे है ज़माना सारा, मारेंगे कभी हम नहीं, जो करोगे उससे बेहतर कर दिखाएंगे हम वही, जानो पहले जानना।
And to present this award, I would like to invite Mr. Kunal Dasgupta, CEO, Sony and Last Ketchup on stage, please. Thank you.
May I request Isha Deol to receive the Sony Face of the Year female.
I'd like to thank IFA for presenting me this award, and I'd like to thank all of you all for your love and support. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Isha. And now, let's take a look at the Sony Face of the Year male.
आवारापन बंजारापन एक खला है सीने में हरदम हर पल बेचैनी है कौन बला है सीने में
And the Sony Face of the Year male is John Abraham. May I request John to come up to the stage?
Thank you. I thank the Hindi film industry for accepting me as a part of this industry. Thank you. I'm very proud to be a part of this industry, and I hope I continue doing good work for this industry and for the audience. Thank you, Johannesburg. Thank you, Bollywood.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड कुछ खास है. It celebrates a sensational beauty. उनकी पर्सनालिटी, चार्म और चेहरे की फ्रेशनेस ने सैकड़ों लोगों के दिल को बेकाबू किया है. It's no wonder then that a company that gives you the option of becoming a freshitarian should choose her as the Samsung Diva. Let's take a look at the Diva.
अभी आए, अभी बैठे, अभी दामन संभाला है. तुम्हारी जाऊं जाऊं ने हमारा दम निकाला है. मन क्यों बहका रे बहका, मन क्यों बहका रे बहका आधी रात को.
May I invite Mr. Ravinder Zutshi, Director of Samsung Electronics India, to present the Samsung Diva Award.
Good evening, everybody. I have the honor to invite Rekha ji for this Diva, Samsung Diva Award. I'll request Rekha ji to please come over the stage.
Rekha ji, you must say a few words, please.
Goodness gracious. Good evening, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is indeed an honor and a great surprise, a pleasant one at that. I'm so excited as it is to be here because I must share a little secret. This city, Johannesburg, is the reason I am here because... No, I haven't finished yet. Because many years ago, way back in '69, when I signed my first film called Anjana Safar, right, they said, okay, we want this girl and you fit the bill, so would you sign on the dotted line? I said, no, I don't want to be an actress. And they said, you know, you're going to be shooting in South Africa. I said, okay, where's the contract? So I signed, and that's the reason I'm here, because I owe everything, whatever I am, to South Africa and this city. So I thank you and I love you so much. I'll be here again soon to entertain you and all. And I wish IFA and Samsung, thank you so much. This is really a pleasant surprise. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.
Time now for an award which epitomizes the best of style and looks.
He's the man who every young man would like to emulate. सैकड़ों के चहीते और यही हकदार हैं सैमसंग स्टाइल आइकॉन अवार्ड के. So let's take a look at him.
तुमने किसी से क्यों नहीं प्यार किया? बार बार यही कहता रहूंगा, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye. अगर उसे अपने ऊपर इतना घमंड है, तो क्या मैं कम हूँ? जीना मेरा मुश्किल है यार, तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे.
And to present the award, please welcome Ravinder Zutshi, Director, Samsung Electronics India.
good evening again to all of you, all my friends here from Johannesburg, and also people back in India. I'm very happy to say that about Fardeen Khan especially. It was a big choice and a very difficult one to select, but I'm sure we had the masses with us and of course the people's choice of Fardeen Khan to be the Samsung style icon of the year. So can I request Fardeen Khan to please come up on the stage?
जीना मेरा मुश्किल है यार तेरे बिना 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 मरना मेरा मुश्किल है यार तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना Anyway, it's indeed an honor. It's a great surprise. Got to thank my designer, Shahid Amir, who thinks about what I need to wear and to get the look. I mean, he's a major part of me trying to be stylish. And thank you all my fans for acknowledging me as a style icon. It's indeed an honor. Cheers.
रूप है मेरा सोना सोनी मेरी पायल रूप है मेरा सोना सोना सोनी मेरी पायल छन छना छन ऐसे छन के कर दे सबको घायल
है कह रहा आंखों का काजल इश्क में जीना मरना Everybody shaba shaba Magia say shaba shaba Magia say shaba shaba Magia say shaba shaba रूप तेरा सोना सोना सोनी तेरी पायल छन छना छन ऐसे छन के करते सबको घायल कह रहा आंखों का काजल इश्क में जीना मरना Say shaba shaba Magia 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 say shaba shaba Magia
Welcome back. We are honored to have in our midst the surviving Jodidar of this great music making team of Hindi cinema. And we would like to honor this maestro with the Samsung IFA Award for Outstanding Contribution to Indian Cinema. Let's have a look at some of their work.
है बंबई नगरिया तू देख बबुआ गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज वाला पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो
आनंद जी भाई से मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाएं और ये अवार्ड एक्सेप्ट करें।
प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, कहना बहुत कुछ है मगर जज्बात में मैं कह नहीं सकता। आज से 50 साल हमारे ज़िंदगी में दोनों भाइयों के हंसते हंसते इस लाइन में निकल गए। हम दोनों भाइयों ने, आज कल्याण भाई नहीं हैं मगर वो सदा साथ में हमारे साथ रहेंगे, आपके साथ भी हैं और जिस तरह से आपने प्यार दिया है वो देते रहेंगे। मैं ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा अमित जी से, एज ए कल्याण भाई प्लीज़ कम ऑन द स्टेज। एक भाई के नाते छोटे होते हुए मेरे से लंबे हैं, मुझे आज इनको मैं कल्याण जी भाई समझ के इनसे कहूँगा कि जो शब्द बोलने हैं कल्याण जी भाई की ज़बान से आप बोलिए प्लीज़।
Ladies and gentlemen, it has always been a great honor and pleasure every time I worked with Kalyanji Bhai and Anandji Bhai, and learning so much, discipline, concentration, dedication to the work, and I'm so happy to see it fructifying into such a large hemisphere now. Thank you, Kalyanji Bhai. I know you're up there looking at us, and thank you, Anandji Bhai, for this wonderful experience that you've given us. Thank you.
And the next award is for the Malikas of Melody, the talented singers of Indian cinema who have shaped the imagination of millions using the andaz of their awaz. The award for female playback singer, and here are the nominations.
Nominations for female playback singer are
भूल न जाना
Alka Yagnik for Hamraz,
हो जाने जाना प्यार निभाना तुम ही हो सनम मेरे हमरा इस कदर
Alka Yagnik for Raz,
मोहब्बत हुई टूट के बाजुओं में बिखरने लगे किस्मत के मारे
Richa Sharma for Kaate,
किस्मत के किस दाज़ों है सिलसिला
Shreya Ghosal for Devdas,
मैंने बुझने दिया पिया ये दिया
Shreya Ghosal and Kavita Krishnamurthy for Devdas.
May I invite Aftab, Shiv Dasani and Neelam on stage to announce the award, please.
Good evening, everybody.
Good day and namaskar to everybody here. The winner for the female playback singer is Shreya Ghosal and Kavita Krishnamurthy for Dola Re Dola film Devdas.
Oh, Sanjay वहाँ से बोल रहा है कि ये भी नहीं आई है. Sanjay, why don't you come on stage and receive the award on Shreya's behalf? Sanjay, I won't let you go now. You have to speak a few words, for the film and on their behalf. Please.
Well, it was wonderful introducing Shreya Ghoshal in this film. She was a small girl of 16 who had heard her on television. And Kavita ji, of course, is my most favorite singer. She sings all my songs in all my movies. And they are an inseparable part of my music. I would like to also, on their behalf, thank Ismail Darbar and Nusrat Badar for making them sing so beautifully. Thank you so much.
Our next award is for those people जो हिंदी फिल्मी हीरोज़ के परफॉर्मेंस के स्पाइनल कॉर्ड हैं। लड़की को पटाना हो या कॉलेज में धूम मचाना हो, हीरोइन से करना हो प्यार का इजहार या उसके बाप से करनी है टकरार, there's a song for every reason, every season. To every hero, his singing voice is as important as the heroine in his arms. Let's take a look at the nominations.
Nominations for male playback singer are
बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता
KK for Hamraz,
सकता एक दिन बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता अब दूर नहीं रह सकता एक दिन तुम हो
Kumar Sanu for Hamraz,
सनम मेरे हमराज अभी जा
Lucky Ali for Sur, Sonu Nigam for Satya,
वो चांद
Udit Narayan for Devdas,
इस दिल पे छा रही है
May I invite Sunil Shetty and Salman Khan on stage to announce the award, please.
The award for the best male playback singer goes to
Sonu Nigam, film Satya.
Mom was in the hospital, had a knee operation done. Sonu didn't want to come for the IFA Awards, wanted to be a good son. But Mom insisted I got to go, and he had to keep the regard. So here he is on the stage, holding his second IFA Award. Thanks.
In the last 75 years or so, Hindi film music has come a long way. Mono से digital, digital से Dolby. English गानों को कॉपी करने से English गानों में कॉपी होना. By the way, congratulations Bappi Da on winning the addictive case. और इसी फ्यूजन की वजह से आज हिंदी फिल्म म्यूजिक को दुनिया भर में सराहा जाता है. इसी टैलेंट को रिवॉर्ड किया जाएगा अगले आईफा अवार्ड के साथ. Let's take a look at the nominations for music direction.
Nominations for music direction are Anand Raj Anand for Kate, A.R. Rahman for Satya, Himesh Reshamya for Hamraz, Ismail Darbar for Devdas, Nadeem Shravan for Raz,
हम संवरने लगे इस कदर आपसे.
May I invite Gracie Singh and Venkatesh on stage to announce the award, please.
The award for the best music director goes to
A.R. Rahman for Satya.
Thanks a lot once again, IFA. It's been a great trip for me, coming from hot Madras and coming to Johannesburg and enjoying the sight of all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you. The next special award of the evening is for Outstanding Indian Achievement in International Cinema. इस साल इस अवार्ड के लिए आईफा एडवाइजरी बोर्ड ने एक ऐसी शख्सियत को नॉमिनेट किया है जिन्होंने पिछले साल अपनी एक सेंसिटिव ब्रिलियंट फिल्म के साथ इंटरनेशनल इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट किया.
She started her career as an actress with Satyajit Ray and went on to become one of Bengali cinema's most sought-after actresses. Last year, she reached a new pinnacle with her film Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about none other than the wonderful Aparna Sen. We have the privilege of adding her name to the IFA galaxy.
May I request Shri Chhagan Bhujbal, Deputy Chief Minister Maharashtra, and Jayaji to present the honor. Unfortunately, she's not here with us tonight, but her daughter is here. We would like to invite Konkana Sen on stage, please.
अभिषेक जी कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ?
It's wonderful. It's a great audience. It's a wonderful show. I'm having a ball.
Which part of the show have you liked the best? And you're not allowed to say your father's speech.
When my father came out to give the award.
Okay, not counting that either.
When they show the close-up of my mother.
This is like, all right, okay. And what about the acts that you've seen so far?
Fantastic.
Which one is your favorite of those?
I know all of them. They'll all kill me if I choose one.
Okay, why aren't we seeing you perform on stage today?
When I learn how to dance, I'll perform.
Good one! I think next year we're going to see you perform on stage and possibly have a nomination as well. Fingers crossed. I have here with me a man who is a legend in his own khel. He is a man that every cricketer, every cricket fan looks up to. He is Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. But I'd like to have your expert comment on how he performed just now.
Well, I think it was a very good performance. Just goes to show that he's keeping himself fit for his comeback to international cricket.
Wow. Wow. So we've seen you in a Hindi film as well, in Mala Mal, but we never saw you shake a leg. How come?
Well, there I was to play myself, and I must say I failed miserably.
Dearie me. Well, cricket and films, they're both considered religion in India. Can you tell us what a cricketer can learn from a film star?
If you're a batsman, I think you can learn that when you nick the ball and you're caught behind, you should rub some part of your body to deceive the umpire. Or if you're out, if you're being given out leg before, there's an appeal for leg before against you, you can show that you played the ball, raise the bat, and act that way. In any case, you see so many of the guys behind the wicket keepers, slip fielders, everybody going up and appealing for a catch when they know it's not a catch. That's acting.
Do you think cricketers should go in for a crash course in acting then?
Yes, I think so. Particularly if they can convince the umpire to listen to them and understand them.
Whoa. All right, sir. And what has been your most favorite act in the performances so far?
Well, I think more than the acting, I think it's been the speeches. I think the speeches have been acceptance speeches have been really moving. Some of them have been really terrific. And I have to say that it's wonderful of IFA to have recognized so many people, and particularly those who have made a contribution in the past, because there's always a tendency to look at only the present and forget the past. And that over there, I think IFA deserves all the congratulations, as well as Samsung.
Big round of applause for IFA. Thank you, sir. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
You know, Anil, comedy is serious business.
हाँ सही है, लोगों को रुलाना आसान है लेकिन हंसाना बहुत मुश्किल.
कैमरा के सामने ग्लिसरीन के सहारे तो रो सकते हैं, लेकिन हंसने के लिए कोई उपाय नहीं होता.
The next award is for performance in a comic role, and here are the nominations.
Nominations for performance in a comic role are
कल तक इंडिया आने का मेरे पास कोई मकसद नहीं था.
बोले तो Johnny Lever for आवारा पागल दीवाना.
बिताने के बाद जिंदगी जीने का मकसद भी मिल गया.
क्या बात कर रहा है यार? एक कॉन्फिडेंशियल बात बताऊं?
Johnny Lever for हमराज.
और अमेरिका में वार होने वाला है. अमेरिकन शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री बंद हो जाएगी, अमेरिका रोड पे आ जाएगा और फ्रस्ट्रेशन में अटैक करेगा.
बताओ उसे.
Mahesh Manjrekar for कांटे.
12 वाले पे रहती है. रोजी, tell him. You tell. I went to meet Rosie, big boobs Rosie, my girlfriend. और उसकी माइकल और जैक्सन का गाना है ना वो.
परेश रावल for आंखें.
बीड़ी दे, तेरे बाप की मांगी मेरे को बीड़ी दे. मैं बोल रहा था कि
परेश रावल for आवारा पागल दीवाना.
ठंडा भी फटाफट हो जाता है. ये क्या तुम पहली बार आया ना इधर? हाँ? बोलना चाहिए ना, पड़ोसी है ना.
I would like to invite Isha Deol and Zayed Khan on stage to announce the award, please.
Hello, everybody. And the best actor in a comic role goes to Jim Carrey. Sorry. An equally talented man, an unbelievable performer, Mahesh Manjrekar for Kaate.
Mahesh, I would like you to say a few words, please.
It was a pleasant surprise. I was rooting for Paresh. And it's a shock because Paresh was brilliant in both the films, in Awara Pagal Diwana and Aankhein. It's an honor getting the prize. I just hope I don't turn into a comedian, you know, because I would love to make films more than acting. And thanks, Atan. It's a pleasure being here. Thanks.
नायक नहीं नालायक कहलाए जाते हैं वो. Not fair. It is because of the baddies that the heroes can flex their muscles and find an outlet for their bahaduri. The villain's job is a thankless one. लेकिन उनके बिना सिनेमा का सिलसिला अधूरा ही रह जाता है. But on a personal note, my favorite villainous scenes have been जब villain heroine की साड़ी खींचने की कोशिश करता है, but for strange reason the साड़ी never comes out. हीरोइन जो है वो रोती है और कहती है कि छोड़ दो मुझे, भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो. And the villain looks into the camera and says, भगवान के लिए अगर मैं तुम्हें छोड़ दूंगा तो मैं क्या गाऊंगा, प्रसाद. The next award is for the performance in a negative role, and here are the nominations.
Nominations for performance in a negative role are
चुप साली
Ajay Devgan for Deepangi,
बकवास करती है हरामखोर बहुत कैंची की तरह चलती है तेरी जुबान
Akshay Khanna for Hamraz,
राज सिंघानिया, तुम्हें फंसाने का प्लान तो मेरा सही था, प्रिया ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया।
मैं तुम्हें पूरे 50 लाख रुपए दूंगा।
Amitabh Bachchan for Aankhein,
दुनिया की सबसे अजीब व गरीब बैंक डकैती के लिए
जिंदगी में कोई उधार बाकी नहीं छोड़ना।
Manoj Bajpayee for Road,
इस उधार को भी चुकता कर ही लेते हैं।
हमें बंद करने का जुर्म यहाँ की पुलिस करती है।
Sanjay Dutt for Kaate,
इसलिए जुर्माना पुलिस ही भरेगी। कैसे? उनका बैंक लूट कर।
May I invite Sonali Bendre and Fardeen Khan on stage to announce the award, please.
Good evening, everybody.
How is Joburg doing tonight? You'll all have been great. It's great to be here. Thank you. And this year's Samsung IFA bad boy is
Akshay Khanna for Hamraz.
Unfortunately, Akshay Khanna is not here, but his good-looking brother from Hollywood, Rahul Khanna, is here. Please, Rahul Khanna, please come on stage. Rahul Khanna.
Thank you very much. I accept on behalf of Akshay. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here. He has a shooting schedule he couldn't get out of, but he sends his best wishes and his thanks and his love to the whole of Johannesburg. Thank you.
May I now call upon Rekha ji to honor the one and only Dev Anand with the Samsung IFA Award for Outstanding Achievement in Indian cinema.
My award already. It's in my pocket. This girl, Rekha, is inimitable. She's eternal.
This is your night. Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a great, great, great honor.
So with this, I will not repeat myself. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rekha. Thank you, this award. Thank you, this place. Thank you, Amitabh Bachchan. Thank you, the chairman. Thank you, IFA. And thank you, everybody here in this city, beautiful city of Johannesburg.
आपने मेरे बारे में बोला, मुझे भी तो आपके बारे में बोलना चाहिए कुछ. Ladies and gentlemen, Dev Saab, the actor, Dev Saab, the filmmaker, Dev Saab, the producer, the director, and the human being. इनके बारे में कुछ कहने के लिए छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात हो जाएगी, लेकिन इतना ज़रूर कहूँगी कि Dev Saab, please, I have a huge request. That is, if you could just keep your hand on my head and bless me, so that I can go on forever and ever and ever, just like you. That's all I ask of you. Thank you.
And I will not leave the stage without saying a wonderful, wonderful few sentences about Saif Ali Khan, who played me on the stage. Saif, come here. Saif, I need you. He's backstage, okay. He's cute. He's brilliant. He's naughty. Look at the way he's running. And he's got a tremendous presence. I have known him since his struggling days, when he was wanting to be what he is today. He would come to my penthouse in short knickers. And I always said to myself, whenever I looked at him, look, this boy will one day be as big as he imagines himself to be. And mind you, he's still not where he's going to be. He's going to go places.
Thank you very much, sir.
You just performed me, and one day you'll do a picture with me also.
Thank you very
So
much,
I
sir.
think nothing like being optimistic, because I think optimism is life. If you're not optimistic, you're dead. And nobody wants to die. So with this, once again, God bless you all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, an outstanding entertainer is about to strike. Call him a खिलाड़ी, अजनबी, or the man of धड़कन. उनका अंदाज ही कुछ और है. ऐसा अंदाज है कि हमें हमेशा उनकी तलाश रहती है. He can be a man of action, a man of charm, a man of dance, a man of substance and steel.
And he's come to steal your hearts all the way from Canada, the man for all seasons, Akshay Kumar.
इश्क चीज है ऐसी रबा जिसे कोई रोक ना पावे कोई इश्क में सबको मिटा दे कोई इश्क में खुद मिट जावे इश्क 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 इस प्यार को
and welcome back, everyone. The plot, well, it thickens. कहानी बिना फिल्म्स तो ऐसी लगती हैं जैसे पानी बिन दरिया. The story is the spine and substance of every movie. The award is earmarked for the best story. Let's take a look at the nominations.
Nominations for Best Story are
घर घर जाकर लोगों के हाथ पैर
Atish Kapadia for Aankhein,
खाता खुलवाने के लिए मिन्नतें की थी मैंने. बदले में मेरी जो बेइज्जती की उन्होंने उसका जवाब दूंगा मैं. A fitting reply.
कल आपने जो एनकाउंटर किया था
Ajay Fonseca for Encounter the Killing,
पोता था. लेकिन साहब, क्या सचमुच मेरा पोता इस लाइन में था?
एक धोखे के लिए तेरे को जिंदगी भर फोन करता रहूं क्या?
Jaideep Sahani for Company,
मेरे को अब ठीक नहीं लगा. सांप की दोस्ती जब तक है तब तक है. आपने कभी भटकती हुई रूहों के
Mahesh Bhatt for Raz,
बहती हुई हवा ने कभी आपके कान में आके कुछ कहने की कोशिश की? आपको ऐसा तो नहीं लगता कि आप जीते जागते खुली आंखों से कोई भयानक सपना देख रही हैं?
Mani Ratna for Satya,
तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ.
मेरे लिए ट्रेन से खरीद सकते हो?
अगर मैं शादी की जिद ना करता तो ये सब होता ही नहीं.
तो इतना पछताए तो छोड़ क्यों नहीं देते मुझे?
अब जिंदगी भर तुम्हारे साथ ही सर फोड़ना पड़ेगा.
May I invite on stage Mr. Ramesh Sippy and David Dhawan to announce the award.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening. And the IFA Award for Best Story goes to Jaideep Sahani for Company.
Unfortunately, he's not here with us tonight, but he's a friend. I think I'll accept the award on his behalf. Well, actually, the IFA board will accept that award on his behalf. Time now for an award.
ओह, सपोर्टिंग एक्टर से मुझे याद आया, ताल के लिए मुझे सपोर्टिंग एक्टर का अवार्ड मिला.
I know, and you were brilliant. You were strong, impressive, and you made such a huge impact. And that's what the supporting cast is all about, isn't it?
ज्यादा तारीफ मत करो, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. Let's look at the nominations.
Nominations for Actress in a Supporting Role are
पारो अब जवान हो गई है.
Ananya Khare for Devdas,
এটা কি করছো?
के साथ बात करूंगी.
Andhra Mali for Company,
छोड़ेगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं करेगा वो अभी. वो सबको छोड़ेगा, कुछ भी नहीं करेगा अभी. मेरे को कोशिश तो करे तो दीदी. याद है मैंने तुमसे पूछा था.
Kareena Kapoor for मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे,
मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं तुम्हारी इतनी अच्छी दोस्त हूं, कि तुमने मेरी दोस्ती के लिए अपनी प्यार की कुर्बानी दी है.
आज से 7 दिन के अंदर
Kiran
मैंने
Kher
अपनी
for
बेटी का
Devdas,
ब्याह तुमसे ऊंचे घराने में ना कराया तो 8वें दिन बिना पूछे मेरा मातम मनाने आ जाना.
एक बात कान खोल कर सुन लो आदित्य धनराज.
Malini Sharma for Raz,
मैं उस कुतिया से तो तुम्हें हमेशा हमेशा के लिए छीन के रहूंगी.
नीच किसको बोलती है?
Shilpa Shetty for Rishte,
तू क्या समझती है तेरी खोपड़ी घूमती है क्या? साला मेरा भी टप्पर घूमे ले.
May I invite Selina Jaitley and Saif Ali Khan on stage to give out the award, please.
Right, the winner is
Kiran Kher for Devdas.
Kiran, congratulations. Kiran, I think this is the last award और लोगों को आप ही की performance याद रहेगी. I want you to say a few words, please.
नमस्कार. देर आए दुरुस्त आए. It's a great honor to get this award, especially because your peers, your colleagues, the entire academy of the Indian film industry votes for it. And as Dev Saab said, we presume there is no hanky-panky. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Sanjay Leela Bansali, for being the most wonderful director in the world. Bharat Bhai Shah for being a great producer. All the people, the technicians, Bela Sehgal, Binod Pradhan, Ismail Darbar, Nitin Desai, Prakash Kapadia, Saroj Khan, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Auntie, for being warm and loving. Miss you, Anupam. Wish you were here. Love you, Sikandar. Thanks.
It's an award which is the crowning glory. ये अवार्ड एक ताज, एक मुकुट की तरह है और ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है बेस्ट पिक्चर को.
आपने बेस्ट पिक्चर के 5 नॉमिनेशन तो देख ही लिए होंगे. मैं रिक्वेस्ट द टीम ऑफ वतन टू अनाउंस द विनर ऑफ द सैमसंग आईफा अवार्ड फॉर बेस्ट पिक्चर.
You're right, it's Devdas.
Well, unfortunately, Bharat Bhai could not come because his brother is not feeling well, so it's his son who's come to receive the award on his behalf.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड, which this year has some serious contenders.
सब बेहतरीन नायिका, beautiful, each extremely talented, and personally I have spent many professional moments with each and every one of them.
They are all contending for the Samsung IFA Award for Actress in a Leading Role. Let's take a look at the nominations.
Nominations for Actress in a Leading Role are
कैसी ना समझी तुम्हारी देव.
Aishwarya Rai for Devdas,
जब जहाँ चिट्ठी लिखती कि हमारे बीच कोई प्यार नहीं, ना समझी. और जब जहाँ कर खड़े हो गए तुम पारों में हमेशा.
पति तो वो मेरा उसी वक्त बन गया था.
Amisha Patel for Hamraz,
7 फेरे लिए थे. आज मुझे एहसास हुआ है कि उन 7 फेरों का मतलब क्या होता है.
But listen.
Karisma Kapoor for Shakti the Power,
तुम यहाँ पहले आ जाओ. Come quickly.
ये तो तुम भी जानते हो, सारा गांव भी जानता है.
Madhuri Dixit for Devdas,
रोशनी होती है तो ठाकुरों की वजह से. उनके घर में औलादें पैदा होती है तो भी तुम जैसे ठाकुरों की वजह से.
फोन पे मेरी आवाज पढ़ लिया करते थे.
Rani Mukherjee for Satya,
मुझे देखते कह देते थे कि घर पे कुछ हुआ है, माँ से झगड़ा करके आई हूँ.
May I invite once again the dashing debonair Rahul Khanna and Kamar Shilpa Shetty on stage to announce the award, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's our great honor to announce this award. And the winner for Best Actress in a Leading Role is Aishwarya Rai for Devdas.
Aishwarya Rai could not be with us today as she is at the Cannes representing the Indian film industry. However, we would have a message from her.
Hi, everybody. Thanks a lot for all your love and good wishes and blessings, first and foremost. And because, yes, I get all your lovely letters and emails and all the messages that you guys send me expressing your love. And it's your good wishes and blessings that have meant a lot to me. And I thank you immensely. Well, this is all in reference to my accident that I had about a month ago. And I'm really sorry I have not been able to join all of you there at in South Africa because of the ankle fracture. And of course, I've had to go to Cannes to honor my commitment to be part of the jury there. Thank you all for making it possible for me to receive this award. And I thank IFA. It's special and I cherish it. Thank you very, very much.
One sec. Well, the IFA management was supposed to give the award to her at her residence, but I'm taking the liberty of calling Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali once again on stage, please, to receive her award. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I want you to speak a few words, please. For Aishwarya.
Well, I've done 2 films with Aishwarya. She is my favorite leading lady. She's a beautiful girl, a beautiful actress, and a beautiful human being. She played Parvati with a lot of dignity. She gave a lot to the film. And yes, we had a wonderful working relationship. And I wish her all the best in all the things that she does and beautiful roles in the future. And I just hope all the best for her. Thank you.
आपके लिए खास खबर है.
कोई तुम्हारा दोस्त बंबई से आ गया क्या?
कैसे पता चला?
तुम्हारी आंखें बता रही हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's here. The highlight of the evening. He's acted in mega hits. He's been pursued by hysterical fans. He's been a rage. Agile, athletic and brooding. आप लोगों को जिसका इंतजार था, मेरा फ्रेंड, हम सबका दोस्त, सलमान खान.
I love you all! दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है. फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से. शायद जिसकी तलाश है, वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है. हिरे!
जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना. जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना सनम. जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना. जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना सनम. जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना. जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, आए, आ जिंदगी में आना सनम। आ जिंदगी में आना सनम। बेजान दिल को, बेजान दिल को, बेजान दिल को तेरे इश्क ने जिंदा किया। फिर तेरे इश्क ने ही इस दिल को तबाह किया। तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की। ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में। तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की। ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में। तड़प 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 के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की। ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में, मोहब्बत में। अगर मिले खुदा दो पूछूंगा खुदाया, जिस्म मुझे दे के मिट्टी का, शीशे सा दिल क्यों बनाया। और उस पे दिया फितरत के वो करता है मोहब्बत। बाहरे बा तेरी कुदरत, बाहरे बा तेरी कुदरत। उस पे दे दिया किस्मत, कभी है मिलन कभी फुरकत, कभी है मिलन कभी फुरकत। है यही क्या वो मोहब्बत, बाहरे बा तेरी कुदरत। सिसक सिसक के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की। ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में। तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की। ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी
And now for the actor in the leading role.
दिया, मैं अभी आता हूँ, जरा कपड़े बदल के आता हूँ.
क्या हुआ? कहाँ जा रहे हो आप?
भाई, I have to get ready ना, तैयार होना मुझे. I have to receive the award.
Anil, I don't think you've won the award. In fact, I don't even think you've been nominated.
What? I've not been nominated.
No.
I thought IFA was one award which was not rigged. Well, let's look at the nominations.
Nominations for actor in a leading role are
असलम भाई, मैंने
Ajay Devgan for Company,
अगर मैं उन्हें नहीं मारता तो वो मुझे मारते. जानते हो मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश क्या है?
Ajay Devgan for The Legend of Bhagat Singh,
ताकि मेरी मौत देश के नौजवानों के लिए मिसाल बन सके. ये क्या कह रहे थे आप?
Akshay Khanna for Divangi,
ये देखिए, कुछ ही देर पहले मुझे भगवान कह रहा था ना, ये अभी उसी भगवान को फोड़ कर लाल कर दिया है.
So,
Amitabh Bachchan for Kaate,
why don't you just drop the gun? Drop the gun.
Son of Narayan Mukherjee.
Shah Rukh Khan for Devdas,
Objection overruled. Look, Devdas Mukherjee, I object.
May I invite Rani Mukherjee and Feroz Khan on stage to announce the award.
Hi, Johannesburg!
People of South Africa, we love you. I request this gorgeous lady to announce the winner of tonight's Best Actor Award.
The winner for actor in a leading role is Shah Rukh Khan for Devdas.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shah Rukh has sent a special message for all of us.
Hi to everybody there in South Africa. This is Shah Rukh, and I just want to apologize for not being there with all of you, all the people who are watching IFA and the organizers of IFA. I wish I could be there, but I have, as everybody knows by now, I'm a little unwell and I need to be getting my physiotherapy done for my back, which would make me come back and dance a little more and jump a little more. But nevertheless, my heart is there, my spirit is there, my soul is there, and I wish I could personally also be there. But because I'm not there, I just want to thank the organizers of IFA. I want to thank all of you who have supported me. And I want to tell you, next time around, when IFA goes to South Africa, it always seems whenever it's in South Africa, I don't land up there. But next time around, inshallah, when the awards happen at IFA, I'll be there. And a very, very heartfelt thanks. I also want to thank, of course, the director of the film, Sanjay Leela Bansali, and all my co-actors, the producer, and everybody who was involved in making Devdas a success. And this is one moment I cherish the most. God bless you all in South Africa.
Well, again, I'm going to take the liberty. IFA management is supposed to give the award at his residence, but I think I'll receive the award on Shah Rukh Khan's behalf. You want to take it? No, I'll take it. A well-deserved award for Shah Rukh Khan. He was brilliant in Devdas. Absolutely brilliant. And now, for the Samsung IFA Award for Direction. डायरेक्टर एक लीडर की तरह है. एक्टर्स या दूसरे टेक्नीशियंस कितना ही उसका भेजा खाएं जैसे कि मैं खाता हूं, या डिस्कशन करें जैसे आमिर खान करता है. The word of the director is final. Let's look at this year's nominations.
Nominations for direction are Abbas Mustaan for Hamraz,
यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि हमारा प्लान इतनी जल्दी सक्सेसफुल हो गया. दो टके का आदमी तू क्या मेरा क्या?
Ajay Fonseca for Encounter the Killing,
बोल तू करेगा बोल तू करेगा मेरे बेटे का अंतिम संस्कार मेरे बेटे का. I am saying the choice is yours, sir.
Rajkumar Santoshi for The Legend of Bhagat Singh,
You have to stop him. To hell with your order, to hell with your law. जो फैसला आप लोग कर चुके हैं, जब दिल करे सुना देना.
और फायदा तो हो ही जाएगा.
Ram Gopal Verma for Company,
ऐसे वैसे या अच्छे से.
मारोगे मुझे?
Sanjay Leela Bansali for Devdas,
और जब मैंने अपना अधिकार मांगा तो मुंह फेर लिया.
May I invite Smita Thakre on stage to announce the award.
Namaskar. Good evening, everybody. And the award goes for Best Direction to Sanjay Leela Bhansali for Devdas.
It's only my boys clapping over there. I'd like to thank IFA and everybody tonight here for giving this award to me. I am very proud of Devdas as a film, and I'm very glad to know that you all are equally proud of this film. Devdas is special to me because I've learned a lot while making this film. Devdas has almost made a warrior out of me, a fighter. I knew I had to fight. I knew I had to be fearless, I had to be ferocious, I had to be ruthless. And I had to make lots of sacrifices. I didn't have to get scared of the bruises or the hurt that would come in the bargain. I think it was God's wish that I make this film the way you offer a prayer, on the knees, with the head held high. And that's the way my mother has, in any case, taught me how to pray. And what I find from God, what He gives me is human excellence in abundance. 250 people who worked day and night for me, fought with me, stood by me, believed in me, gave their best to me. And I think it's the best way to experience God, and that is the human excellence. My unit of 250 people, my technicians, my actors, Bharat Bhai, everybody. But for them, I think Devdas would never have been made. Devdas would have died by 3 reels, would have been ready. But it's through their effort that I think Devdas lived and lived his last breath, the last reel. I would like to thank my sister somewhere deep down. She believes in me. She thinks I'm the best brother in this world, the most talented. I'm not yet the best, but I think I've not let her down in life. Tonight, I'd like to remember 2 unit members who lost their lives in Deena Pathak, in whose memory I take this award. I know the award is not won. There are many more wars to fight. I think for tonight, I feel very happy that I feel like a winner. Thank you very much.
अब तो एक्साइटमेंट कुछ ज्यादा ही बढ़ रहा है।
दिया, तुम्हें पता है कि फिल्मों में सबसे डिफिकल्ट रोल किसका होता है?
We passed the comedy and negative awards. I know. The supporting cast. Ladies and gentlemen, to present our next award, may I invite the stars of Mumbai Se Aaya Mera Dost on stage, please.
Zara, Abhishek Bachchan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The nominations for actor in the supporting role are
Nominations for actor in a supporting role are Ashutosh Rana for Raz,
जो अपने मिट जाने के बाद भी अपने वजूद का अपने होने का एहसास दिलाना चाहता है। बचपन से मार का कर बड़ा हुआ है पुनप्पा।
Dilip Prabhavalkar for Encounter the Killing,
वो बैल का डर मुझे मत दिखाओ, पुनप्पा डरने वाला नहीं है।
अरे तो बात क्या है?
Jackie Shroff for Devdas,
ख से इतने खामोश बैठे हो, अरे ख से इतने खोए खोए हो कि पता ही नहीं चलता कि आप घर पे हो।
हमको मालूम तू शर्मा और रथोट का मर्डर का टाइम उधर
Mohanlal for Company,
अभी तू सरकारी गवाह बन जा और कोर्ट में मलिक के खिलाफ गवाही दे दे।
वाह मेरे देश प्रेमी।
Sushant Singh for the Legend of Bhagat Singh,
देख रहे हो भगवती भाई, ये हाल है उनका। इतिहास डिटेल में मालूम, जो नहीं पूछा वो भी बता रहा है।
the award goes to Mr. Mohanlal for Company.
Good evening, my dear friends. I am very proud to be present here to receive this award. Indian film industry is one of the largest in the world, and within that the Malayalam film industry, to which I belong, is but a small entity in terms of size. But it has produced some of the best movies in the country, some of the amazing artists in the country. And you would be surprised to know some of the first to its credit. The first CinemaScope movie in India, the first 70mm movie in India, the first 3D movie in India, the first co-produced movie with France called Vanaprastham, which got an entry to the Cannes Festival. And now, I have been fortunate as the first Malayalam actor to receive the Samsung IFA Award. I think this award tells that there are no language barriers in cinema. Cinema is an expression of human emotions, and human emotions are the same everywhere. I think in future we can see a pan-of-Indian film which will cross all the boundaries of language and region, a cinema which is international in the real sense. I would also like to thank Mr. Ram Gopal Verma for giving me this opportunity called Company, the crews and technicians for the help, my co-stars for the tremendous support and love, Samsung and IFA for this wonderful, amazing award, and of course, all the audience both in India and globally, for accepting me as I am. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you all have been a wonderful audience. It has been one of the greatest shows. And let me tell you one thing. This is my first experience as a host. If I have goofed up, if I've done any mistakes, you know whom to blame.
For our television viewers, it's a month full of IFA. Do tune in on the 25th of May to watch The Weekend at IFA with the stars. A very special thanks from IFA management to Ashwin Trikamji, Imran, Salim Abu Damer, and Ismail. Ladies and gentlemen, you have been a wonderful audience, and we'll see you next year in another part of the world as IFA continues its journey celebrating Indian cinema across the globe. Thank you. Good night.
Good night. God bless. Bye-bye.